back to my channel. Today it is time for my April favourites. I've got an absolute mix of so many different things to show you this time. I've got quite a few things here, so we better jump into it, but they are really random, so I warn you in advance. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get going. First up, I have got two items from Makeup Revolution. I have got the blush palettes, and I've got two here. So I've got one that is more sort of bronzy colours, and I've got one that is more pinky colours. Now I use these, although they both say they're blushes, I use this one for blush and I use this one for contour. So, you know, I like getting a multi-use out of items, but they are really nice colours. If I show you the blush ones here, you've got some like matte shades, some shimmer shades, and then you've also got marble ones as well, which I think look absolutely gorgeous. And it's the same with the other palette as well. I use the more sort of orangey corally colour ones, more like this one here, rather than the very bright pink ones, because it just doesn't suit my face quite so much. And I've also got the bronzy coloured one as well, so it's got these marble shades in it and quite a very different set of colours in here, which are really good. So depending on how I want to look in the day, it will change what colour I'm using. And yeah, I do like using the marble ones, which have got like gold glitter and stuff in them, which are really nice. But yeah, I've been really loving these and doing different combinations of the colours. So these are the Makeup Revolution London blush palettes. Really loving these. Next up, as I said, very random items. I have got the Unstoppables In Wash Scent Boosters. I absolutely love these. These smell absolutely great. I've got the ones in Uplift. Oh, they smell really good. They're like green and they're like little marbles. You can see just here. They're like little pellets, but they make your washing smell absolutely fabulous. And it makes it smell really nice for ages as well. So you can put them in your wardrobe or in your drawers and it'll keep them smelling fresh for quite some time, which I think is absolutely great. And you know, I love to put them in things that I wear a lot or have to work hard in, like my work uniform, things like that, so they stay fresher for as long as possible, which is good. And that's just a random item, but I absolutely love it. I love a bit of laundry every now and again. Next up, I have got my April Birch box. You will see I've got another video. This one should have gone up after that, so you'll see this one. My April Birch box is in combination with Cuff Kids Then, and I absolutely love this box. I've loved everything that's inside it, and I absolutely love the design. Definitely recommend giving Birchbox a go. I've always got such great treats and makeup and beauty items to try from them. So yeah, but this month especially, I've been absolutely loving this. I just think the box is gorgeous, and I just love Cuff Kids Then, so how could you not? Next up, another random item, and I have got a lunchbox here. I got this one from IKEA. It's about £3.50, and it's quite a good size. It's good for taking to work with me, and it's got two little sections inside which are detachable. It's got clip locks as well, which are really good for keeping everything fresh, which is really great. But you have these two little sections that you can actually remove. I keep it with them, not in them at the moment, because I haven't found a use for these, but you can use them like putting nuts, berries, fruits, anything like that inside. But I've been using this box pretty much daily to put all of my bits and bobs in, so absolutely loving having this box. And that was from IKEA, and it was a great deal, so yeah, really happy with it. £3.50 is not bad considering the price of a lot of things that are very similar. So yeah, really loving this. Next up, I have got a lip item, and this is the NYX Soft Matte Lingerie, and this is in the colour Stockholm. You may be able to see I've got another video which is my NYX Soft Matte Lip collection, and that's before I bought this one, but I've got some other great ones in there, so go check that one out. I absolutely love this, and I've been pretty much wearing this every day this month. I absolutely love it. It's great for wearing for work. It's a nice natural shade, and yeah, it's really good multi-use for everything, and I absolutely love it. This is in the shade Stockholm, and that's from NYX. Next up, I have got some green tea. Green tea is very hit or miss for a lot of people. I don't like plain green tea on its own, but I've been on a culinary adventure this year so far, so I've got two different ones here. I have got the Tetley green tea with mango and passion fruit. These are absolutely fab. This one is a box of 20, and they come in the little circles that you put the little tea bags like that. But these, really good, nice and fruity. Absolutely love these. Nice one, Tetley. And I've also got these ones from Twinings, which are obviously a little bit higher up the scale. These ones are Cherry Bakewell green teas, and they come in their own little sachets, which are adorable. And to be honest with you, I absolutely love it. They smell so good, and there's 20 in there as well. But I absolutely Absolutely loving these. These are so good, and the flavour is just so nice. Cherry and almond is really nice, and cherry, almond and green tea are all very good for PCOS, so give these a go if you've got that like me, and these will definitely help you out. Next up I have got some Ryvita. Now I know it sounds like it's made of cardboard and it looks like it, but these ones are in the dark rye. These are new for me and I've actually been really loving them. I actually quite like the flavour of these. You get a load in this pack as well, and it's resealable with this blue strap thing here. So yeah, really enjoying these, and these are really good for lunches, which again are very handy for PCOS, so I'm trying to handle that with diet things. So yeah, giving these ones a go, and I absolutely really love them. So yeah, really happy to like something that is actually healthy for a change, rather than crisps and snacks and stuff, which everybody loves and I absolutely adore. And last up, I've got 3 items left. So I've got these brushes here, and these are from Real Techniques. These were a limited edition range. These are all a very different brushes. So we've got a crease brush, this is for your eyes, and it's like an angled brush here. We've got a Instapop full accent brush, so it's a slanted small brush. We've got a lip brush, which is the tiny one. We've got a pointed foundation brush, which is this one here, and the Instapop full cheek brush, which is this big angled one here. Absolutely love these. The packaging is really cool, love that, with the X's and O's, and the brushes are so soft and really comfortable to use. And if you saw that powder, I'm now going to choke on that. But yeah, I've been using this one as a powder brush rather than a foundation brush, because it just fits underneath my eyes quite well. So yeah, it's full of dust. But yeah, these are really soft, really comfortable to use, and I've absolutely been loving them. And last 2 items, I have got this t-shirt from Dorothy Perkins, and I've absolutely lived in it this month. And it's green with stripes on it, and it says New York chic, if you can see on the bottom there. It's a really nice green. It looks a little bit darker on screen in my viewfinder, but I absolutely love this. I love stripy tops and I love green, so this is absolutely perfect, and it's just so comfortable. The material is so soft and comfy. Absolutely love it, and I've absolutely lived in it, so really happy with that, and it was a great new purchase. And last up, I have got colouring books. Now, colouring books are generally for children, yes I know, but this is an adult's colouring book. This is the Zen colouring. This is a Winter Wonderland one, so this is advanced art therapy. I got this one around Christmas, I think, but yeah, I love doing these. That's what I've got 2 so far, and that's just one of the many different designs it's got in the book, but absolutely loving this. It's really good if you've had like a stressful day, or you need a bit of distraction, bit of calming down, bit of zen time, as it says on the book. I love getting a bit of zen time, and I just sit there and colour it in, and the time just flies by, and I just completely chill out, calm down, and end up feeling really refreshed after doing it. And plus you get a nice little picture afterwards, which is good. So I like all of those things. When I can improve my mindfulness, I definitely will do. So yeah, colouring books are definitely good for that. Don't get hung up on the fact it's a colouring book, but more embrace your creative side and see where it can take you. So guys, that is my favourites for April. I hope you've enjoyed them. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favourite item been for this month for you, and what's your favourite from my collection. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.